Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of earbuds that just don't stay in place? Introducing the Sony LinkBuds Clip Open-Ear Truly Wireless Earbuds, and trust me, these are a game changer. With their secure and comfortable fit, you can wear them all day without any distractions. The customizable air-fitting cushions ensure they stay in place, and the feather-light comfort is just amazing. You can easily adapt your listening experience to any environment with 3 tap switchable modes: standard for everyday use, voice boost for noisy places, and sound leakage reduction for quiet settings. Just tap your earbuds to find the perfect sound for every moment. These earbuds have been a hit with many customers who have purchased and reviewed them, and for good reason. They offer a long battery life with quick charging, so you can keep your music and calls going all day, and with a quick 3-minute charge, you can get up to an extra hour of listening. The intuitive controls allow you to control your music and calls with simple taps: play, pause, adjust volume, or switch listening modes without reaching for your phone, and with multi-point connection. You can pair the earbuds with 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously and switch between them effortlessly. Whether you're listening to music on your laptop and taking a call on your phone, your earbuds automatically pause and resume playback for a seamless experience. And with the ability to switch between devices so easily, you can stay focused on what matters. These earbuds are perfect for anyone who wants a hassle-free listening experience, and with their sleek design and lightweight feel, you can take them anywhere, so why settle for anything less? Try the Sony LinkBuds Clip Open-Ear Truly Wireless Earbuds today and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.